Bienvenidos! Welcome to LingoMag, a channel for English speakers who want to learn Spanish in a fun and interactive way. Today we're going to learn the numbers, los números, los números. And today we're going to focus on numbers from 11 to 20, del 11 al 20, del 11 al 20. If you're learning Spanish, please subscribe to the channel. There will be new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Empecemos. Let's start. 11. 11. So it's written the same way as ones, but it's pronounced very differently. So 11 is once. Once. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16. And this one is in different colors because you'll see that the first part, dieci, is repeated from now on. So this one is DIECISÉIS, DIECISIETE, DIECISIETE. Can you guess the next one? DIECIOCHO, DIECIOCHO. One more. 19, 19. And the last one, which is a bit different, 20, 20. Now, let's quickly repeat all of them. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If you'd like to get some free extra online practice, you can head over to my website, lingomag.com. There you will find an exercise I've prepared to help learn and further practice this topic. The particular link to this video's exercise will be listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hasta pronto!